This video shows you how to benefit from our Zoek Alerts feature. So, what are Zoek Alerts? Our Zoek Alerts are automated emails and push notifications of any relevant live job matches based on your saved search criteria, including key skills and desired job title. This ensures you never miss a job opportunity that's well matched for you. You simply register or log in to your Zoek Job Seekers account. If you're registering for the first time, complete the registration form and enter your desired job title. Enter your key skills. Click Register. Go to your profile contact settings and ensure Job Alerts is selected. Choose your preferred frequency, whether that's daily, weekly,
Simply click
or monthly,
the Apply button on the
click
jobs you're
Save.
interested in and select your CV from the drop-down menu.
If you want to receive
Use
job
CV.
alerts from additional job searches, simply conduct a search and click Save Search at the top of the page, and then you're all set up. You can edit your saved searches at any time. Just navigate to the My Searches section of your profile. Don't forget to check your inbox regularly to see and apply to matching job roles.